honey, we've had to come up here and check our mail and stuff. I ain't checked it in a week. And I've got some stuff, waiting on me. Probably a lot of bills, but I'm not feeling the best today, guys. And I don't know what's wrong with me. I've got that kind of feeling, to be honest. But yeah, we're up here at Neon checking our mail, and I'm just sitting here looking at my beautiful little town that I love so good. School's out too. I've been passing some school buses, but I'll show you where I'm at. Here's our beautiful little post office. You can see that church right there, and we used to stand out there and talk, and we could come off them steps, to the high school. And there's our little churches. We got several of them here. Right there in that rock building like used to be our drugstore and our pharmacy. And it kept getting flooded so bad. Yeah. But that's what we're doing today. I'm going to go to the store here in a little bit. And I don't know. I don't need a whole lot. I do need to give you some like mater juice and stuff, so I can fix maybe some soup or something. I don't know. If I fix some, I'll video it for you all. I'm trying to really watch what I'm eating. I'm going to have to be more mindful. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Nothing. I'm a boring person today. I do gotta go home and just clean up some stuff. Did you get any good mail, honey bun?
No. I didn't get no money, so what's that take?
I heard that, honey. No, but they want money. There's every time that they don't want something, honey. You can bet that. I tell you what, it's absolutely beautiful here, and they are calling for a blizzard. I see the school buses stopping. God bless them little kids. I can't believe they actually had school today. Usually they don't anytime they call for bad weather. You know my video skills are horrible, right? I'm going to get off here. I love each and every one of you, and we'll talk here after a while. I got to go to the grocery store, Okay, love you, bye-bye. I'm down here to Popple, and you think I'm like, I swear to God, he just packed.
You can't get in nowhere.
You can't get in a store.
Nowhere.
Hungry bunch of people is all I know. I'm telling you, they are coming from every direction. Look down that way.
Look. You can't get a parking place.
I dropped you. Yeah, but it's everywhere. We went into like the shopping center thing where Walmart and Food City and all, honey. They're pushing and a shoving.
Nope, you can't get in it. You cannot get in it.